Hi, this is Andy, and now I'll explain how to record a Teams meeting using Bluedot. First off, let's create a new meeting in Microsoft Teams. Once you join the meeting, Bluedot will show a widget like this. Here you can select the recording type, and to start recording, just click the Start Capture button. After that, Bluedot will start recording everything happening in your call. You don't need to wait for a bot. Bluedot is the only tool that records video and provides you with an AI summary and a full meeting transcript. You'll also see a widget like this, indicating that the meeting is being recorded. Here you can save, pause, or discard. And to get your recording, you can click the Save button or just leave the meeting, and Bluedot will open a link to your recording in a new tab, where it will take some time to process. And here's what your recording looks like after it's been processed. On the right side, Bluedot generates a full transcript of the meeting. Bluedot also recognizes speakers. You can search the transcript or translate the transcript into more than 100 languages. You can also use the AI chat to get additional information. And on the left side, Bluedot generates an AI summary for you. Here you can find an overview, topics, and also change the notes template and select, for example, key takeaways. And Bluedot will generate a new AI summary for you that matches this template. Try using it yourself. It's free.